Alright, I got the old RYOBI out here. That's the wood I cut. I'm gonna try and show you. I don't know if I'm gonna get the phone to cooperate or anything else. The angle might be a little bit on the, may not work altogether, so. Alright, right there on the ground again. Cooperate. Not one of those rich kids with all the fancy fucking gizmos. I'm just a poor son of a bitch out here by myself cutting cordwood, which probably shouldn't be doing anyway, but I am. Just an old freaking fuddledy-duddledy, right? Who cares? Just trying to show you what this thing will do. I've cut out this whole load. I'm not sure it's going to cut through this piece. I've already cut 1, 2, 3. I've already cut 3 pieces out of this. It may not make it through this piece, but at least you've seen the load that I just got with it. And if you take your time, just cut this big massive piece off with the chainsaw. Oh, you bastard.